Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we are just discussing about today's slot, pseudocode and puzzle based question guys. So video के end तक बने रहिएगा. And guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay. And if you have not joined Telegram, you can also join our Telegram channel for latest update, hiring and placement material guys. Okay. So let's start guys without wasting a single second. Okay. So let us see one by one. So yeah. So the question is, first question is guys by pseudocode. The question is, in how many iteration will the pseudocode find the value 7 when array is this? And guys, you need, yeah, and you have a one for loop for each item in a array. Means guys, we are just iterate the loop in these array elements guys. Clear? So one by one array elements are stored in this item variable, right? So whenever if match item value means if the item is matched with the value is nothing but a 7. At that time guys, we'll return the item location, whatever the item location is there. So as you can see here, we have a 7 here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At third index guys, the item is present. So the answer is guys 3 for this pseudocode. Clear? This answer is clear guys. So let's move to next question. The next question is basically a equal to 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to 4 is greater than a. So the condition is true guys, it will return true. But guys, due to this integer, right, it's set as a integer, that's why the answer is 1 guys. Why 1? Because true treat as a 1 in a integer guys. Many of you students are saying me on WhatsApp, no sir, the answer is true. True is not there because the data type, just focus on the data type. Data type is given integer, not a boolean. If bool data is there and they are writing c equal to b is greater than a, then only guys the answer is true. Clear? So the answer is for this one is guys 1. Okay, let's move to next guys. The next question is based on postfix or infix operator. Okay, increment decrement we can say simply. So basically we have a equal to 5, b equal to something, m and n. So let us discuss guys. Z equal to a. Post increment is there, so it will take a as a 5 minus b means guys minus 10 minus 1 means minus 11 is there guys. Clear? Minus 11 is there. Why minus 11? Because guys this is pre-increment. In the pre-increment first it will take a value, so minus 11. Then guys we have a multiplication. N is nothing but a guys 3 and m is nothing but a 4. So 3 divided by 4 is nothing but a 0. Multiply with guys minus 11, right? Minus 11, or here is minus and then 5. So as you can see here guys, we go directly 5. Why? Because minus 11 multiply with 0, it will give you the 0, and 5 minus 0 is nothing but a 5. Clear? So the answer is guys 5. Okay, let's move to next question guys. थोड़ा सा स्पीड बता रहा हूँ guys, अगर आपको नहीं लग रहा है स्पीड ज़्यादा लग रहा है तो guys you can make a 0.75. ठीक है, उस स्पीड में एक बार देख लेना. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. क्वेश्चन इजी थे इसलिए थोड़ा सा जल्दी बता रहा हूँ. एंड गाइस इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब ना, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, so let us discuss the next question. Next question, we have a int result c of 0. C of 0 is nothing but a this is 1 and this one is 2. So c of 0 is nothing but a plus c of 1 is nothing but a b. But guys we need a integer. So in a integer we just take a ASCII code of both the number, that is 65 and 66. The answer is guys 131. Clear? Let's move to next guys. The next question is based on switch statement. So you have a float n equal to 1.0 and in a switch you have a m variable. So as you can see guys, the first condition is we can't use float with switch statement, and the next one is guys m is not declared, here is n and here is m. So the answer is guys directly you will put error. Guys, as today's slot, and in today's slot 2 to 3 type of question is like that only guys, they are taking a some another variable at upper side, and in a lower they are just like display b, and b is not defined in the program, then directly you will put error. Okay, let's move to next question guys. The next question is based on again switch statement, but in this one we have a result c. It will move here and the test this case is passed, right? Because the value of result is c. So result will declare with a. Okay, result equal to a, and the directly guys a will printed. Okay, let's move to next guys. The next is how many iteration will the following pseudocode make the find key with value for array this using binary search guys, using binary search. So as we all know guys, in a binary search we all need a sorted array, right? हमें sorted array चाहिए. So that's why guys the answer is infinite according to me. Okay, because this given array is not sorted. Clear? So array is not sorted, that's why the answer is guys infinite. क्लियर. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट गाइस. ठीक है, और इन्फानाइट ही आना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, इन्फानाइट और 5, बट गाइस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी infinite you can put, because guys array is not sorted. Binary search only implement when we have a sorted array. Clear. Let's move to next. So now let us discuss some puzzle based question guys. Before discussing this puzzle based question guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, so let us discuss this question guys, and before discussing this, if you have not joined our Telegram guys, please join Telegram channel as well. Okay, and be active on a Telegram channel guys. Okay, so let us discuss. And one more thing guys, if you want to know about logical question, reasoning question, we have already uploaded yesterday one video. You can check out this video guys, है ना, because in today's slot similar questions are there in today's slot that we have discussed yesterday. Okay, that's why I am saying for that video. Okay, so let us discuss the puzzle based questions. So basically we have a 5 4 3. So as you can see guys, if I multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3, then we'll got 60. For example, 2 multiply 3 multiply 10 will get 60. In similar way guys, we have a x multiply 2 multiply 6 equal to 60. So 2 3 just 6, sorry 12. Okay, and multiply x, and x equal to 5. So the answer is guys 5. Clear. ओके, द आंसर इज गाइस 5. समझ आ रहा है सभी को. ठीक है, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गाइस, वी हैव दिस एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड दिस. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर, मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ 3, राइट, मींस 81. 81 multiply 3, we got 243. Then the answer is guys 81. Okay, let's move to next. So now this question guys, I am also a little bit confused, but let me discuss the logic, what logic I implement in this question, and just comment out what logic, what is your logic guys. So my logic is basically guys, here as you can see here, 5 multiply 2 will get 10, and here 25 multiply 2 will got 50. So according to me guys, the answer is 25. Okay, but if you have another logic guys, just comment the answer with explanation. Okay, so that other students also got help by your comment. Okay, so let's move to next. So next, this one is already done, right? So this is all about guys, enough finish. So this is all about guys, this today's slot questions. थोड़ा सा हरी में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है. I have just created this video little bit hurry, so try to cooperate with that. Okay, and if you have any doubt guys, you can put your question in a comment. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. We'll meet on next video. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please yaar, and please subscribe, and don't forget to click bell icon button, so that guys whatever I have upload, or I will upload, and you will got a notification, and you get daily updated like hirings, placement material, last year, previous slot, all questions with answer. Okay, and if you have any company exam guys, you just prefer our YouTube channel guys, because a lot of videos are available on our YouTube channel guys. 450 plus video already uploaded guys. Clear. So just go and check out once guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. We'll meet on next video, and I will try to cover one video in evening, so that we just discuss whole slot of today's. Okay, so thank you for watching this. We'll meet on next video next day. Thank you. Bye bye, take care, and best of luck for your exam guys if you have slot of 3 p.m. ठीक है.